Once upon a time, in a small village called Virtuosity, there lived two best friends, a girl named Lila and a boy named Nate. They were inseparable, and everyone in the village knew them as the ultimate duo. They had a knack for uncovering secrets and debunking myths, which made them quite popular among the villagers. One day, while they were enjoying an ice cream cone at their favourite shop, they overheard a group of teenagers discussing a provocative topic. Girls crave for sex more than boys, one of them stated confidently. Lila and Nate exchanged curious glances, and without any delay, they decided to investigate this claim. As they began their research, they discovered that there was little to no scientific evidence to support this statement. However, they did find anecdotal evidence from various sources, some claiming that girls were more sexually adventurous and others claiming the complete opposite. Intrigued by the contradictory information, Lila and Nate decided to conduct a survey within their village. They asked villagers of all ages and backgrounds about their experiences and beliefs regarding sexual desire. The responses they received were incredibly diverse, with some individuals reporting that their partners had higher libidos than their own, while others claimed the opposite. Despite the mixed results, Lila and Nate were determined to uncover the truth. They decided to expand their research and began interviewing experts in human sexuality, including psychologists, biologists, and sociologists. One of the experts they met was Dr. Eleanor, a renowned sexologist. She explained that sexual desire was a complex and multifaceted phenomenon, influenced by biological, psychological, and social factors. It's important to remember that individual experiences can vary greatly, she told them. It's impossible to make a broad generalization about the sexual desires of an entire gender. Undeterred, Lila and Nate continued their quest for answers. They decided to conduct an experiment comparing the sexual desires of a group of male and female volunteers. They asked the participants to rate their desire levels on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being low and 10 being high. The results of the experiment were astonishing. There was no significant difference between the average desire levels of the male and female participants. In fact, some of the women had higher scores than some of the men. As they analysed the data, Lila and Nate realised that the belief that girls crave for sex more than boys was likely a societal construct, influenced by stereotypes and misconceptions. They concluded that it was important to challenge these myths and encourage open, honest conversations about sexual desire and healthy relationships. Armed with their newfound knowledge, Lila and Nate shared their findings with the villagers. They held a public presentation discussing the diversity of sexual experiences and desires and emphasizing the importance of communication and understanding between partners. The villagers were grateful for Lila and Nate's work, and they soon became known as the champions of sexual health and education in Virtuosity. As a result, the village saw a decline in unhealthy relationships and an increase in open, respectful communication between partners. And so, Lila and Nate continued their quest to debunk myths and spread knowledge, forever changing the way their village approached sexual health and understanding.
Please subscribe to my channel Lessons of Life and press the bell notification icon.